Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create tasks with n8n in ClickUp. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow and manage your projects more efficiently without getting bogged down by repetitive clicks, you're definitely in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be effortlessly adding new tasks to any project within your ClickUp workspace. You'll also understand how each step can significantly boost your productivity. Let's dive right in. First things first, make your way over to your ClickUp workspace. Think of this as the central hub of all your projects, documents, and tasks, essentially the control room for everything you are working on. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in. While this might seem like a basic step, it's absolutely essential. All your subsequent actions and automations in ClickUp will originate from this workspace, so being in the right place is crucial to avoid any unwanted confusion later on. Next, you'll need to select the project where you want your new task to appear. Projects in ClickUp function like folders or containers, helping you keep tasks organized and logically grouped. For instance, if you're working on something like a marketing campaign or a website redesign, you'll find those projects conveniently listed on your sidebar. Go ahead and click into the one that's relevant for your new task. Selecting the correct project up front is important because tasks can easily get misplaced if they aren't added to the right location. Taking this small step now means better organization and less confusion down the line. Now, let's move on to creating your new task. You'll see an Add Task button at the top right corner of your project dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Alternatively, if you're looking at a list of tasks within your project, you might notice a Quick Add Task option just below your last task. This is handy, especially if you're adding a series of tasks in sequence, such as step-by-step procedures or daily to-do lists. Both options serve the same purpose, so feel free to use whichever one feels more natural for you. Here's a quick tip. Don't worry if your screen looks a bit different, since ClickUp frequently updates its design. Just keep an eye out for the plus Add Task label. When you click Add Task, a new task window will pop up, prompting you to name your task. Let's say you're creating Task 3. Go ahead and type that into the Task Name field. Naming your tasks clearly is super important. It's like giving your teammates or your future self a map to navigate through the work ahead. Clear task titles help everyone know what's next without any confusion. Brief, descriptive names keep the workflow smooth and easy to track. But there's more to it than just naming the task. Before you save your new task, you have the option to add even more detail. You can assign the task to someone on your team, which is a fantastic way to delegate responsibilities and ensure everyone is aware of what they need to do. For example, if Task 3 needs to be handled by Alex, simply select their name as the assignee. You can also set a due date, which is a simple step that enhances accountability and keeps deadlines at the forefront. If you're unsure of when it should be completed, don't worry. You can always add or adjust the due date later. These additional details are like putting your task on rails. They help your project move forward smoothly and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. And that's it. You've just created a new ClickUp task using n8n's straightforward method. Simple, right? But don't underestimate the impact. Becoming comfortable with this process is the backbone of effective project management. If you ever find yourself hesitating or confused, just remember, it's all about repeating these steps and adjusting them to fit your specific workflow. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create tasks with n8n in ClickUp. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or specific workflows you're struggling with, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. We read everyone and are always here to help you work smarter in ClickUp. Thanks for watching and see you next time.